eye. Ooh.
You better.
Get her.
Come on! Music! High five! First, say goodbye.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought you broke a ball.
Move your front foot, not your back.
Good eye, good eye. Back up the plate a little bit, Bob. No, you don't move the plate. Use it. Oh, and he swings with a pitch. Strike one, Jose Gonzalez. Ooh, good eye. Very disciplined batter, Jose Gonzalez. Woo!
Picking up these dormant thoughts that I haven't had around for a while. Coming out of foggy days, imagining worlds.
So we were out here walking on the beach and we found,
The key to my fort in Illinois.
see it. Oh, it's a sweet key, Kaden.
Daddy cannot touch it. I mean, he can, but he can't have it in his hand.
That are uninspired. Call the tour, I can't restore my fire. Call the tour, I can't restore. Sometimes we all get lost and lose sight.
Where are we going, Kaden?
To the farthest point in America.
We need in our lives. Locked down by the things to do, the routines that sap us and drive. Call the door, I can't restore my fire. Call the door, I can't restore. It's the news that I need, that away it comes me. Ignites this reverie. There I go.
Kaden's getting ready to walk to the most northwestern part of the United States. Show us. Where's it at? It's the very tip, huh? Can't get any further, can we? This is it.
Door, I can't restore my fire. Call the door, I can't restore. Call the door, I can't restore my fire. Call the door, I can't restore.
Getting in trouble?
Yes.
Oh!
I'm not right or wrong when I say that it's better.
So we started way down there in the sand, and Kaden climbed all the way up. Whoa, I'm falling.
To there.
To this mountain right there. And now We're seeing this whole beach that not one person's at. That looks pretty amazing.
Are we gonna do that?
Got up even higher.
Mom's tying her shoes over there.
Down near the bay, here I lay, and I'll
You
stay
can actually see her pretty good.
till I reach another day. Down along the shore, where the grass grows, where my thoughts move so slow. I don't got to know where I should be, 'cause here my thoughts are free.
Just found one of the largest starfish I've ever seen right there.
And it's
It's
bad.
huge. I wish you could see it. The water won't quit running.
Bring the swells, all the smell of the sea. We can't find pardon me.
Starfish is actually moving in the
Do
water.
the turn